There's a family Bible on the table. Its pages are torn and hard to read. But the family Bible on the table will always be my key to memory. At the end of the day, when work was over and the evening meal was done, I will read to us from the family Bible and count our many blessings one by one. I can see you sit round the table when from the family Bible that would be. I can hear my mother softly singing, Rock of Ages, clap for me. This whole world is nothing but troubles. This whole world, there's so never be. If we have more Bibles on the table, Moms in your Rock of Ages, clap for me. I can see us sit round the table, went from the family Bible that would be. I can hear my mother softly singing, Rock of Ages, clap